Whereas on Bitcoin and Ethereum, you have every single computer replicating every single computation. Right? That's how they're designed at the moment. The internet computer has embraced a concept called sharding. Sharding is a means of horizontal scalability. So instead of every single computer having to, or computing everything, the internet computer is split up into the internet computer network is partitioned into subnetworks, and every subnetwork is essentially its own blockchain. They all run the same consensus protocol. It's called internet computer consensus. And they all communicate with each other using a BLS signature scheme called chain key. And by doing this, by having basically a bunch of blockchains that are all running the same protocol and all communicating with each other securely through a signature scheme, by doing this and embracing asynchronous programming, if you're familiar with async await in TypeScript or in Python or in C# or in Rust, the concept of, you can have a single thread of execution and then it can basically pause basically pause and spin off some asynchronous task. And then when that task comes back, you can resume execution at that point. So you can, basically keep your thread always executing, spinning off tons of tasks. By doing that, by embracing that, something that Bitcoin and Ethereum do not embrace at this moment, by embracing that, you can actually get extremely high levels of scale. And in the end, you probably can't scale without embracing asynchronicity. I've come probably to that conclusion. So the internet computer does embrace asynchronous programming at its core. And by splitting the network up into these shards, by communicating securely between shards, by embracing asynchronous programming, and by embracing just like a very, very nice developer experience, trying to hide the complexities of the sharding and make it easy to call any application running on any of these subnetworks, just as if the application were running in your own subnetwork. By attempting to do this, I think the internet computer provides just a unique perspective on decentralized computation. So is the internet computer perfect? No.